Hi, I'm Kara with DoMyOwn.com. If you're tired of bugs and insects thinking that your home is their home, you're in the right place. Pests outside are annoying, but pests inside, that's when it's going to get serious. A lot of pests prefer to stay outdoors, but when they find an easy entry point, they're going to get inside. That's where a perimeter treatment's going to come into play. It builds a protective barrier around your home and keeps those unwanted guests out. Let's discuss 5 common pests that try to sneak inside and how perimeter pest control can protect your home. First, we're going to talk about ants. Ants come inside when they're looking for food, water, and shelter. So keeping your kitchen clean is going to help, but what's best is going to be a perimeter treatment every 30 to 90 days, which is going to help slow them down. Because ants live in colonies, it's best to use a non-repellent insecticide spray. These insecticide products go undetected by insects, so ants are going to walk right through where you've sprayed the insecticide and carry the active ingredient back to the colony. As ants travel back and forth, they're going to spread the insecticide by contact throughout the nest, eventually eliminating the entire colony. Next up, cockroaches. Roaches don't just look for food and water, they look for hidden spots to lay their eggs. And once they're in, getting them out isn't a good time. Sealing entry points and eliminating moisture is key, but again, treating the outside perimeter with an insecticide every 30 to 90 days is really going to benefit your treatment. Similar to ants, roaches are also colony pests, so a non-repellent insecticide is going to be your most effective approach. With non-repellents, they can't detect the areas that have been sprayed, therefore they're going to pick it up as they walk across the area and spread it through contact and grooming, which is going to help eliminate the whole infestation. Silverfish. Silverfish can be very destructive. They feed on things like books, clothing, photos, even wallpaper, anything with starch. Moisture control inside plus a perimeter insecticide treatment outside keeps them from taking over your storage areas and chewing through your items. If you have mulch or similar ground covering right next to your home, you want to be sure that your perimeter treatment is going to include spraying on top and under the mulch where it's cool and damp, as this is areas where silverfish hide.
Finally, overwintering pests. The most common overwintering pests that might invade in the spring and fall are stink bugs, Asian lady beetles, cluster flies, and box elder bugs.
These pests will enter your home in the fall months to take harborage during the winter. Overwintering pests find hiding spots in the home and stay put. Stink bugs, although they do not bite or sting, release a strong odor as a defense mechanism, making an infestation unpleasant. They are also known as shield bugs. Asian lady beetles are a species of ladybug that can leave behind a stinky, sticky substance on the walls of the home. Box elder bugs do not bite, but they do leave a staining dye behind if crushed. A large amount of box elder bugs in the home can be a nuisance, especially when they emerge from their hiding spots as temperatures warm outside. Like their name implies, cluster flies tend to cluster and swarm around windows on warm days when they try to escape the homes they hide in to weather out the winter. The bottom line is applying an exterior perimeter pest control treatment every 30 to 90 days is going to be one of the best ways to protect your home from all these pests and more. If you want to take the guesswork out of a DIY pest control program, the DoMyOwn Pest Box makes it easy. You answer a few quick questions and you get the right products and step-by-step instructions delivered directly to your door on schedule. You should always make sure to practice exclusion and sanitation in your treatment. Consistent exterior perimeter treatments are going to be the key to slow pests down before they set up shop in your home. Thanks for watching. We're always happy to help you DIY like a pro here at DoMyOwn.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.